We went fishing in Cancun, Mexico, and made these bomb fish tacos afterwards. So we got on this boat, it's 32-footer, up in Cancun at a Aqua World.
Nice. Bonito. Yeah. Damn it, you like fishing in Mexico? Was it worth waking up early? Someone's fighting you, huh? That's a good one, bud. Take your time, you got him. You got two, bro. Yeah. Wow, Damien. Whoa. Turn around.
Massive barracuda, nice catch. So this was the catch of the day, many fish, and we got them cleaned up. I went to this La Bamba place up in Cancun, and I paid 250 pesos to get these things cooked. Of course, I tipped an extra 250, and these tacos were amazing. The amberjack were the very best tacos.